But I warn you, no Harrier. It will fall.
So here's flying. First takeoff flap, full flap. That's it. Just leave that there. Don't play with it. Okay. Yeah, you're on full rate. This is full rate. But remember, it's got a lot of mixing in, so be careful. Okay. First feel it because there's some. For example, if you use the.
Listen, how much is this one?
Almost 3,000.
How much you going to give me this one, Mustafa?
What?
Put.
I thought they're gonna kill you.
Just go down. Nice and like it.
Nice. At night, it's beautiful.
I'm gonna run and get another battery.
Yeah, you put this one on charge. Did you put the timer on? This is heat battery. You've got about 6 minutes, but the way you fly it, remember. Watch the minutes there. Low battery. Land it here on the grass in front of you, right?
Okay.
From the bottom down, yeah? Is this another battery?
Yeah.
I'll just put this one on charge.
No, that's a fresh one.
I don't know.
Nice fresh bit.
You have some Muslim, but that's not it.